Hello, my name is Agi Sharma and today this video is for all those people who want to open up a new business or want to expand their existing business. There always comes a time when we think of opening up a new business or enter a new field. And the reason for that is just to become self-reliant and be our own boss. Statistically speaking, most people hook on to the idea of entering a business by opening up a business in food industry. And why is that? Because we as a customer are always surrounded by some sort of fancy cafe, a restaurant or a bakery which is running very successfully. And we always assume ourselves to running that place or owning such place. Along with huge advantages that a food industry might have to offer, there are a lot of challenges that a person also might need to face. Like setting up the menu, deciding the prices, procuring raw material, training chefs, and you could say investment involved in it, the managing the wasted material and all, and there are a lot of other you could say challenges that a person needs to face whenever he enters a food industry. It is because of these challenges many people are looking bakery as a viable and a appropriate option to enter the food industry. And the reason for that is it has the lowest level of investment as we compare to any other fine dining restaurant. The level of profit margin that we are going to get in bakery field is nearly 70%. The major reason for that is it even continues in lockdown period. Even it is so easy to operate, even the housewives can operate it. It is the fastest growing segment in the food industry. And the level of break-even point you can achieve in this is very quick. Like even in 4 months or even period of 5 months, you can easily achieve the break-even point. So the level of investment you will do in this period, you can easily gain it back in very few period of time. Bakery is the only segment that offers the maximum level of repeat customers, and the customer loyalty that a business would gain in this field is beyond the potential. A person would even choose a lot of restaurants, but if he has liked one bakery, he would eventually stay for generations to that bakery. To start a new bakery, you require a lot of experience and effort, and there is a high possibility that you may make a lot of decisions that may prove to be very costly. That is why you require someone who is experienced in this field, who can help you and guide you open up a bakery with minimum investment and which may prove to be very successful. That is where franchising comes in. Franchising helps you in managing all the day-to-day operations that otherwise you may lack, because you are paying franchisee for their expert advice and systems. Main importance of franchising is that the brand has already been working in this field for past many years, and the kind of effort, the expenditure and the hard work that they have put in, all that expenditure being done by that brand can be useful, can be helpful to you, to help you guide through all the situations, all the problems that you might face when you try to open a business on your own. That is why it is much more beneficial for you to invest in a franchisee in order to increase your chances of success rather than opening up a bakery on your own. We are Winnie Cakes and More, and we are working in this field for past 12 years, operating nearly 100 plus franchises all over India and delivering cakes to nearly 600 plus cities. We have a model for everyone who wants to open their own bakery and be a part of this booming business. So if you are planning to open a new business or want to expand your existing cafe or bakery, you can contact us on the below mentioned number or leave your details on our website. We will call you back. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos on bakery industry.